to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're talking again in our continuing series about the various elements of art. We have 8 elements of art that we're talking about here: line, pattern, shape, space, form, color, value, and texture. Today we're focusing on just color and value. The premise being, if you look at your art and the way that you're creating and interpreting subject matter and possibly just reduce what you're doing down to 1 or maybe even 2 of the elements of art, you may find that you have some interesting discoveries that come from that. We are again focusing on cherry blossoms, and so in this particular piece I want you to look at the color and the value. So what happens if we distort the values, exaggerate the lights and exaggerate the darks, or take all of the colors and put them in the same color intensity and reduce it down that way? You can play with just the color and the value and see what kind of interesting developments that you get from there. So check out this demo prepared for you, and you'll see a way to interpret just via color and value. And we hope that you will find some inspiration from these studies and these little demonstrations, and that you will enjoy.